Yes, Assalamu alaikum. See, 8th class students, I have two problems for you today. 9th class students, if you are here, listen the video which was before I was online. So it got ended instinctively. Okay, I was not about to end it, but because of some internet connection, it has been directly disconnected. So मैं उसको फिर continue करूँगा, but 8th class पे focus कर लूँगा first of all, and then again I'll come to you. Okay. So 8th class students probability में जो बेटे 9th class students what I have to explain to you. Muqtadir, are you from 8th class or 9th class? Walaikum salam, Muqtadir. So you just comment me that you're from which class. Sidra. See, yesterday हम लोग 8th class students what we have done several problems. So today we are going to do two problems, and same with the two problems I am going to give you two homework problems also. तो वो जो क्वेश्चन मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा उससे रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू. सो यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर होमवर्क बुक. तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो 8th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है वो ऐसा है कि सी represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. Okay, Muqtadir, you're from 9th class, you stay here only. Muqtadir, after this explanation probability ka jo one problem I have unable to finish in the last video, I am going to do it now. So you be here, okay, don't leave. So represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. You know what is number line? Okay, number line means the same as integers की जो line होती है, in the center it is a 0 and from here the positive numbers will move and here from the negative numbers will move. Similarly वो integers की जो number line है उसमें what we have to express 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. So how we can express it? Okay, how we can express? आप लोगों को पता है कि नंबर लाइन मीन्स इट विल गो इन इंटीजर्स वे 0 से लेके 1 2 3 4 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स एंड देन -1 से लेके -2 -3 एंड सो ऑन टू द इंफिनिटी नेगेटिव नंबर्स. सो वेयर वी कैन insert 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. So it is little bit confusing question, but we can make it very in a very simplest manner. We can solve it. How we can solve it? See, जो सेंटर वाला जो 0 है उसको we can make it at similarly the see in the question it is 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. In the denominator it is 5. So आप जो भी numbers ले रहे we have to put like this 0 by 5 and negative numbers will go on like this -1 by 5 -2 by 5 -3 by 5 -4 by 5 -5 by 5 -6 by 5 -7 by 5 -8 by 5, and the positive numbers 1 by 5 2 by 5 3 by 5 4 by 5 5 by 5 6 by 5 7 by 5 8 by 5. So this how we have to write down. We got -8 by 5 also according to the question, and +8 by 5 -8 by 5 both we have got according to the question. तो इसमें नंबर लाइन कैसा है देखिए, 0 by 5 will become 0, 5 by 5 will become 1 because 5 ones are 5, and -5 by 5 will become -1. So this is the number line. So we have expressed, we have represented 8 by 5 and -8 by 5 on a number line. This how you have to solve it. So I am giving you one homework problem in a similar way that represent this one 5 by 3 and -5 by 3 on number line. I have put question mark here. This I have not solved. This is for your homework. This you have to do next to this. Okay, this is for your homework. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the comment. I'll clarify the doubts. Okay, next question. Okay, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So 1 और 2 के बीच में what we have to do? We have to find and we have to give 5 rational numbers. 1 और 2 के बीच के 5 rational numbers हमको देने हैं. How we can give it? See, 1 और 2 के बीच में क्या आता देखिए. If you know about the scale, आप लोग स्केल यूज करें, स्केल के बारे में आपको पता है, तो उसके अंदर 1 और 2 के बीच में आपको जो है ना 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.4 1.5 1.9 तक का ऐसे जो है ना स्केलिंग में होते हैं. सो ये सब 1 और 2 के बीच में आते हैं. So this comes in between 1 and 2. So we can express this as 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.4 1.5 are between 1 and 2. These all numbers are in between 1 and 2. So 1.1 आपको पहले से मैं आपको बताया कि डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में कैसा करते हैं. तो उसलिए 1.1 क्या बन जाएगा उसके हिसाब से, इट विल बिकम 11/10, this will become 12/10, this will become 13/10, 14/10 and 15/10. Okay, why 10 are coming here? Because after the decimal one number is there, that is why we are putting 10 followed by 1. Okay, so ये 11/10 as it is है. 12/10 को simplest form में when we are converting, it is coming in two table, 2 6 are 12 and 2 5 are 10. It will become 6/5 when we are converting into simplest form. 13/10 is as it is. 14/10 similarly it will become 7/5, and 5/10 or 15/10 will become 3/5. So this all rational numbers are coming in between 1 and 2. So if you have understood, check it properly, see it properly. In a similar way, I am giving you one question. The question is, find 5 rational numbers between 3 and 5. So I have done already the solution, five rational numbers between 1 and 2. What you have to do, you have to find similarly in a similar method, you have to do the 5 rational numbers, you have to find out between 3 and 5. Okay, Oman, uh, Muqtadir, Sidra, Tamim. Okay, if others are visiting, they just comment your name over here, so that I am clicking screenshot. Last video also I have mentioned the same thing, that I am clicking the screenshot. From that I am copying all the names who are attending my class, and I am handing over that same list of students to the management. So they are calling you, and they are asking how, and they're taking the reviews of the class. And if you have any doubt, two problems I have explained in for 8th class students, and two homework questions also have given to you. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. If it is not, if you're comfortable with the explanation, you can leave the class. I am going to explain for 9th class student what the problem which I have left it. So if you want to join that also, it doesn't matter, you can, because later on आप लोगों को probability का भी chapter है. Maliha, Junaid, okay, Mahira, you're from which school? Our Turning Point, Tamim and Mahira, you're from Turning Point School or Rainbow High School? You just mentioned that, because I'll, I'm taking it as I've told you. So I'm going to mention it, that from Turning Point School, how many students I have attended my class, and from Rainbow, how many students I have attended my class. That I'm going to mention. Okay, 9th class students, as I was taking class to you in the previous video. So I have left one question, that is getting the ace of hearts. So what is the probability of getting the ace of hearts? So previously I have told you that out of 52 cards, hearts have been removed. So what is the probability of getting ace of cards? Ace of cards आने की probability कितनी है? Already आपको बताया गया, hearts remove हो गए. Hearts remove होने के बाद में hearts तो रहेंगे ही नहीं. That is why number of favorable outcome will become 0, and number of total outcomes will become, after removing 13 cards, the remaining cards are 39. So same the formula we have to use. Probability, number of favorable outcome will become 0, and number of total outcome 39. 0 by 39 will become 0. So that is your last question. In this way, for 9th class students also, I'm going to give you in your group some questions. That questions you have to Assalamu alaikum sir, I am Ghulam from Pahadi Sharif branch. Okay, yeah. It's very blessing thing for me that from Pahadi and from Turning Point, from Rainbow, from all the three branches, the students, they are visiting and they are attending the class. Okay, thank you so much for that. So 9th class students and 8th class students, I am going to click the pictures from the work we have done, the work I have done in my book, and I am going to give you some homework part also. You finish it off, and if you have any doubt during the video also, you can ask me, because I'm able to see your comments. Because in the class, the Zoom app, what the class you're attending, in that there is an interaction also holding. So you are asking the question, and soon after the teachers are replying answer to you. Here also that the same thing is possible. If you have any doubt, you can ask me here itself. Okay, the part which you didn't understood, if you understood everything, that is very thankful for you, that you have attended and you have understood. So that is good thing for me, good thing for you as well. But if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, Ghulam and Muhammad Saif from August. Saif, I've added you, you have told me to add, so I have added you in group. Okay. So deck of cards, the explanation part, what yesterday I have done, no one has asked me any question related to that. That means maybe I've understood. So if you have understood two problems which I have done, that you have to copy, and the remaining two, three questions I am going to ask you. I'll click the picture and I'll send you that questions you have to do by yourself. And tomorrow there would be no class, so have, enjoy your holiday tomorrow. There no class for, I guess, English and physics. The teachers also not going to take the class, so finish your work tomorrow. What I want is all the students who are all attending, sir, what we have to write in notes, what you have to write, I'll just tell you. You're from which class, Khadirunisa? You're from 8th class or 9th class? Imtiaz, yes, yes. You have any doubt, ask me. Walaikum assalam. Okay, so what the notes I'm going to give you in your WhatsApp group, this, if you watch the video, okay, you're not in group, that means maybe you're having some friend Basit, okay, who are in touch with you. So you just ask them to add in the group. If not, my number you just ask to any of your superior, any of your teacher, so they are going to give me my number to you, and I'm going to add you. Abbas from Rainbow High School. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you're not asking me on online, so you have right to ask me on call. You can call me anytime and you can ask me. And even though if you want, you can text me on WhatsApp, okay, in a group. And whatever you're doing, the problems and whatever you don't send me on a personal chat, send in the group, because many of them they are sending in personal chat, so the whole management, they're not able to uh, you know uh, they are not coming to know about your the work what you have done. So if you dropping your work, completed notes in WhatsApp group, then everyone can see it properly, see, and then they'll come to know. Okay, so what we have to write again, you're asking. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, I'm coming in WhatsApp group. I'm going to send the pictures and you have to write it down. Okay, thank you so much.